Anna Kunz. I am from Chicago. There's a fluidity and a constant movement and rediscovery in the work. I don't think about the outcome as much. I rather involve elements of improvisation and chance, just composing with color in essence. There's a possibility still for abstract painting to emote and elevate. Those are the things I'm interested in as a painter, the ultimate optimism, giving that hope through color and form, just like nature. And color can contain so much magic in itself. If it's positioned right, it can reach you directly, optically. In the best case scenario, make your heart beat a little bit faster. I'm always thinking of the paintings as if they're one continuum. I'm anticipating its presentation in architecture, ultimately about surrounding you in the environment and the rhythms and rhymes that I present to you through color.